Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the gorgeous MAC Beauty Advent Calendar. It is so cool. I wasn't expecting it to be like this. I thought from the photos that it would just be a box. It's up to you if you want to pile the boxes on top, but no, it's solid. I love their advent calendars. They did a really gorgeous one last year as well. The design, let alone the products. But no, that is so nice. You can see all the different numbers there, and then you've got number 24 at the top there. So I haven't had a look to see what's inside. I've seen a few little lipsticks, but I haven't read which ones they are or anything like that. So it's all going to be a surprise for me. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, you are able to get it now. It costs £180 and it has a value of £445. It contains 24 products, 18 of which are full size, which I thought was really good. You'll find a link to this down below in my description, and you'll also see links to other advent calendars that are available to purchase. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So yeah, so let's start off then with day number 1, which is down the bottom here. Can you see how they open up like that? I'm looking in the viewfinder if you're wondering why I'm not looking at you. Got a lipstick. We have got one of their new lipsticks. This is Maximal Matte Lipstick in shade Sweet Deal. Now these came to last 12 hours, so very long lasting, and true colour. That is stunning. I love that. So I was kindly sent a PR mailer with a couple of these lipsticks and some others as well, and I can't remember what shades I've got. They are gorgeous. That is beautiful. Yeah, I love that one. Definitely one I would wear. So it's a silky matte lipstick there. Okay, day number 2 at the top. And we got something new. I've never tried this. This is a Squirt Pumping Gloss Stick. Look at this. This is in 15 Like Squirt. So I don't know. I don't know if it's got a shade. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. I was not expecting that. I was thinking, oh okay, could it be clear? But no. Wow. Yeah, I've never had a green lip gloss before. But how cool is that? It's like a lime green actually. That is really, really messy. It's my fault because I've never tried it before. I've pressed too hard. So you only need to press lightly. Wow. Smells alright. Smells a bit of cocoa butter. Oh no, I can't put it down. I've got to be really careful with these things. I can't pull it back down. Oh, let's hope that it doesn't get squished. No. So yeah, a lip gloss. There's lime green. A bit different. Okay, day number 3. Up here. Oh, I love this. This is Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. It hydrates and fortifies the skin barrier. I love this. I've only ever tried little samples before, or little mini versions, and it's good. It's really, really nice. Yeah, I hope there's more of it in the advent calendar. It's probably like 5 mils or something. So we've got a moisturising balm. Oh, 4 right next to it. We've got an eyeshadow, and this is Swiss Chocolate. It's a matte eyeshadow. Look at that colour. That is beautiful, isn't it? Like a really gorgeous, rich shade. Look. Yeah, I like that. MAC's eyeshadows are really great. I love it. I've lost it. I can't find it. Where are you? Oh, down here. Got a pencil. And we have got it's a lip pencil in shade Spice. There. Yeah, it's lovely. That'll go with quite a few of my lipsticks. And no doubt the lipsticks in this advent calendar as well. Yes, nice. So we've got a lip pencil. Day number 6. Where are you? Over here. We've got a MAC lip glass, and this is in shade Spice. Ooh, that looks nice. I was thinking it might be a little bit dark for me. If it was like a matte lipstick now, I'd probably be like, no, it's a little bit dark. But no, I think that's lovely. It's like a nude colour. Happy with that one. Day number 7. Over here. I think we've got another lipstick. Yes. We've got another Maximal matte lipstick, the long-lasting 12-hour pure colour lipstick, and this is in shade taupe. Okay. Oh, I was not expecting that. I was expecting it to be more like the lip glass shade. No, this is really pretty. Like a burnt reddy orange. No, I really like that. It is quite similar to the first one though. Hold on, let's go back to the first one. I'm curious now. This was Sweet Deal. Oh no, you can tell a difference. That's the Sweet Deal. So that's what we had in day number 1. And yeah, so this is day number 7. Yeah, I love that one. I love them both, but I think that one is my favourite. So the taupe, it is taupe, isn't it? Yeah, taupe. Maximal lipstick. Day number 8. We have got, this is Prep and Prime. I could have done with this today. It's to stop your lipstick from bleeding out, you know, like feathering out. I put too much on of my lipstick earlier on. And in between filming, I've had to like touch it up. You're not going to see anything, it's completely clear, look. But it's to stop your lipstick from escaping your lips, essentially. Day number 9. It's a big one on the side, look. This is Colour Excess, and it's a gel pencil eyeliner in Glide or Die. It's a gel-like texture, but it's supposed to be really, really great at, yeah, creating like little wings, so you can blend it out as well. Oh, I forgot to say it's in black, yeah. It doesn't say it's in black, but it is in black. So, ooh. There you go. There. And apparently it's supposed to be quite long lasting as well. I prefer gel eyeliners. Can't even rub it off, look. It does, yeah, definitely long wear. Right, day number 10 over here. Oh, it's pretty. This is Too Good. It's a frost eyeshadow. Goes perfectly with the brown that we had. Oh, wow, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, really, really pretty. I've only just noticed although it's gold, it's got like a salmony pink and green shift to it. Very subtle. I don't know if you'll pick that up. Can you? Well, I can see the pink on the camera there. It's really, really pretty, isn't it? So it's like a gold and a copper. Right, day number 11. Down here, we have got a Powder Kiss liquid lip colour in shade Over the Taupe. So it might be the same as the lipstick. Yeah, look. That's the applicator. Oh, look at that. I love these sort of moussey formulas. I think it's moussey anyway. Let's see. Yeah. So it's a whipped soft focus matte lipstick which smells of chocolate. Not strong, but there is a bit of a whiff of chocolate going on there. Unless it's just my brain. Yeah, that's a gorgeous colour. It is a little bit on the darker side for me. But I'll see. Day number 12. Down here. Oh, we got Hyperreal. This is the Serumizer Skin Balancing Hydration Serum. There's 4 mils here. So we've had the moisturiser and now we've got the serum as well. Yeah, it's another great product. Formulated with Pro 4 Power Infusion Matrix, Japanese peony extract, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid and ceramides. So there's that. Day number 13, the big one here. Oh, what we got? Got very fancy eye mask. This is really padded. This is more padded than usual. And it's got MAC written on the front there. Yeah, I like that. I like the fact that it's really padded and stretchy. It's got an eye mask with MAC written on it. Day number 14. Over here. I think we've got another lipstick. Yes, we have. This is a Luster Glass lipstick in shade Been There, Done That. It's a sheer shiny lipstick and these are really pretty as well. I got sent a few of these. Look at that colour. That is beautiful. Let me put it down a little bit. I don't want it to break. Wow. Can you see? This is quite sheer, but still very pigmented. It just gives a really nice satiny finish. Yeah, I like that. It's nice. A berry colour. That's pretty. Day number 15. I love this. I had the full-size version of this in last year's advent calendar, or I definitely had it somewhere anyway. And this is the lip glass. So it's a lip gloss, which I'm not that keen on, in all honesty. I much prefer lip oils. I just find lip glosses just a bit too tacky. I'm more likely to have my lipstick go outside of my lips. But I really do love this, especially when I'm wearing really matte, long-lasting lipsticks. Just adding a little bit of this. Oh, it's just beautiful. See, it is sticky, it is tacky, but I really like it on my lips. So can you tell? I got glossy lips. Yeah, it's a good one. Day number 16. This is Jingle Ball Bronze. It's a frost eyeshadow, so another frosty one. It looks very similar to the other one. Now, this is more of a copper. Yeah, that is gorgeous. But it's just copper. There's no other colours in there. I'm dying to do like a really dark, smoky eye, and then just that on top of the black. Oh, I think that'd be beautiful. Day number 17. Down here, we got a MAC Pro Locked Brow Gel. Another product I haven't tried before. I mentioned it in a previous video to this, that I had an eyebrow gel there. Look at that wand. Isn't that weird? Ooh, going out of focus there. But I don't really use eye gels anymore because I got my eyebrows microbladed. The way I've had it done, it looks like natural hair strokes. So I just don't bother. The only thing I use is an eyebrow pencil. But yeah, I'm just feeling the tackiness to see what it's like. Oh, mind you, it's quite tacky there. But yeah, a Pro Locked Brow Gel there. Day number 18. Over here, got a little lipstick. This is another luster glass, so it's the sheer satiny lipstick in, I forgot what it was, I think it's PDA. Hold on, in shade PDA. Oh, it's pretty. I think I've actually got this one. I'm not very good at remembering names of the lipsticks I've got, except for ones that, you know, I've worn for years and years and then it sticks then. I'm sure PDA was one of the ones that I was sent when they were first released. Yeah, it's beautiful. I do really like that. But yeah, I got a little mini one. Day number 19. And I've got a lip pencil here. This is in Whirl. It's a mini one. There. Not a lot of colour payoff there. It's alright. It's not really one I would use. That's the first item that I'd actually pass on, maybe. Day number 20. Down here, we have got another lip gloss, and this is in Oh Baby. This is a shimmery one. So it's a tinted lip gloss. What is that like? Is it really shimmery? Oh, it is. It is very shimmery. That is really shimmery. I'd probably use that as a lip topper because that is very glittery. It's pretty though. But it's not full pigment, so it might look alright. I don't know. It's one of those that you have to try. 21 here. We've got another eyeshadow. All that glitters. This is a Velux Pearl eyeshadow. Okay. Yeah. It's a really pretty colour. It reminds me of an eyeshadow pencil that I'm obsessed with. And I usually apply it to the inner corners or just underneath my eyes. That's really, really pretty, and that's so buttery smooth applying that. Hopefully you can see there. Yeah, really happy with that colour. Day 22, next door. We got another Luster Glass lipstick, and this is in shade Business Casual. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. So that is more of a red. Oh, that is gorgeous. So, so nice. Yeah, I love that. So we've got a luster glass lipstick there, full size. Day 23. Oh, it's the big one here. Oh, cute. We've got Fix It Plus. This is a, MAC Prep and Prime. And there's 13 mils here. So it's a little mini one. I love this. I have gone through so many of these over the years. It's a really gorgeous setting spray. Well, it's more of a finishing spray. It just melts your makeup into place, you know, especially if you've put too much powder on your face, or if you've got enough powder on your face, but then you want to add a little bit of moisture back into your face, but without disturbing your makeup, then yes, just gorgeous. I love the gold lit as well. Do they even still do that? I don't think they do they? This is a finishing mist. So yeah. Day number 24, the last one of the advent calendar. What's it going to be? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Hold on, I'll have to zoom you right in. Look at this. It lifts up. Look at it again. Look, look. Look at it again. Ta-da! Woo! Ta-da! That's brilliant, isn't it? We have got a MAC Stack mascara. As much as I really like this mascara, we get it all the time in the mystery boxes, and I'm sure we had it in last year's advent calendar as well. I do really like it. It's great on my short straight lashes. But yeah, I'm sure I've got one or two lying around already. Love the entrance of the mascara. I think that's so cool. The fact that it is lifted up there is really, really great. It's definitely a showstopper, isn't it? I can't stop looking at it and doing it. It's so funny. Brilliant. So those are all the products inside the MAC 2024 Beauty Advent Calendar. Really gorgeous advent calendar. I absolutely love it. I prefer this year's to last year's. Last year's is really pretty, but this just looks gorgeous, and I'm going to put it downstairs as a Christmas decoration because it does. It just looks like I've got loads of little presents on top of each other. So it'll be a Christmas decoration from now on every year. Love the fact it's got 18 full-size products in there. We've got some really, really gorgeous shades. Maybe the Powder Kiss, you know, the Mousse C formula lipstick. I'm not too sure about that. That might be a little bit dark for me, but I'm going to give it a go and hopefully it will be okay. So no, I'm really happy with the shades. The eyeshadows are stunning as well. There's some new products in there I haven't tried before. It would have been nice if we had larger skincare products. It's a one branded advent calendar, so it's not going to appeal to as wider audience as, say, a Look Fantastic, ASOS, Glossybox, all those type of multi-brand advent calendars. You will either be a huge fan of MAC or you are a newbie to MAC and fancy trying some of their products out. And obviously if that is the case, then you are having a huge saving, considering as well that a majority of the products in here are full size. I'm trying to think now, how does it compare to last year? Some of the products are the same. The majority of the lipsticks are new. I love day number 24, the actual design of it, but I would have liked to have seen something else. I think it's because we've seen it in last year's advent calendar. I'm sure we did. I'm sure. And I've had like mystery boxes as well, and it's always in there. Overall, I'm really happy I went for it. I love MAC, and there's some really, really gorgeous products in there. But I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this year's advent calendar? Are you a huge MAC fan? Do you love it or do you hate it? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.